Hey everybody, welcome to John at Love It, and we're at the Bacon Ridge nature area. Just doing some quick hiking today. Just out over in Maryland, next to Annapolis, Maryland, one of the places that I stay. Let's see what we get into.
Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two.
Now, these cars might be a little older than some of us, but very cool. I mean, it looks like it's about to go down the hill here. Let's see what we got over here. Some more rusted out cars. Go around. This is what's cool about sometimes going in the woods. You see some, you get to see nice birds, trees, but you get to see, sometimes some rusted out cars. If anyone knows what kind of cars these are, let me know. Tell me what they are. Definitely old school. If anyone needs a new steering wheel, one of these. But it's like art in the woods. Let's see where else we're gonna go. We forgot there's one more rusted out cars. Good, I went this way. Got the rusted out cars from before, and then some new rusted out cars. Back off the parking, but I think we're going to go on the through trail to the other zone, because that's where I basically did the other 2 zones, and now I'm trying to finish up this zone. Beacon Ridge Natural Area. I might have said it wrong before, but let's go. Just gonna take a little quick break. Make sure we got everything to shout out to Designer Sports for getting me this shirt made. I'm not living it, boss. If you're not, please do. Also got some water. No sponsors in this video, but I just did get this for my trip to Paris about a month ago. Take Today. Basically, you know, it's a squishy water bottle. It's about 600 milliliters, and I'm trying to get away from the plastic water bottles. Actually, it's really good. When all the water's out of it, you can squeeze it up, makes it super small. I'll definitely show you that once I'm done with this. Also got, shout out, I've had these things for about 2 years. Trail Buddy, they can pull adjustable. I like these grips because if you're sweating in it, you can still grip them good. And that's been all. At least you guys see a little bit of me. Montage real quick, just sitting here, getting everything ready to go back again, and maybe tie my shoes, have some water.
Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise.
So what I didn't realize, All Trails, I use the app. I kind of use it sparingly on and off, but I was using it just to make sure I was on the right trail and where I was, and it showed this picture about some rustic cars to look at, so that was pretty sick. I never seen that before. Shout out All Trails, shout out First Descents for giving me a free download for it. Fuck cancer. I'm just trying to outlive it.
Arms I call home. Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise.
Alright, so you just saw we're almost there. I just want to say thanks to everybody, whoever watched this. If you finished it, good. If not, it doesn't matter to me anyway. However you like this content, like it, share it, subscribe it, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you can help out. It'd be great if you know someone that might like this. Share it up and get outside and fuck cancer, play paintball.